97 Chevy Tahoe. We're at the junkyard. Want to make keys. How to remove the ignition without a working key. First thing we want to do is just gonna pull this thing. I got some pliers. Probably could wrap it in cloth or something. But let's tilt it all the way down first. Just tilted it. I'm just gonna grab it with pliers and yank it out of there. And then some hooks back here. That kind of you want to push, see that? Let me see if I can. Let me double check it real quick. I'm gonna get it off. But this hook should come off, or pull back, or unhook. Let me just triple check the bolt. Using a 15 Torx bit. Well, I just dropped it. Just gonna put the phone down real quick. All right, so I used a 15 Torx. Put that back in my bag. The other tools I have is well, I'm not gonna need the screwdriver. I got some pliers. I got this little poker tool to see if I can remove the cap without without removing the cap, because I always break those. I got some jiggler keys. I think the one we're gonna use is this small one. I think it's a B86. Gonna need another inversed an E5 to remove the there's a Torx screw in. Should clip. Alright, bear with me. Ooh. Just gonna unclip it. All right, there should be a inverted Torx bolt here and here. Should be. You can see that. This one right here. Where are you? Right there. It's an E5. Yeah, so I just unscrewed it. You can't really take it out, but I just loosened it enough to where this top part will come up. I think the only thing holding it in on this side is this cap. Sorry, I got everything up. Just I think this cap is the only thing holding it in. So I'm gonna need a flat head. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pry the ring off the cap, this plastic cap. Try to do it gently. Don't want to break it. I think it's already coming. There we go. Alright. Just gonna set that aside. So now there's an access port. Let's see if I can zoom in. Now we can stick a pick or some kind of. See if we can get this top cover off now. We're gonna need to take it off anyway because we have to put a poker tool through it. On the top here, there's a little hole. You can see that right there. We're gonna stick a pick in there once we turn the ignition. Should be. Alright, let me get my jiggler ready. So now that you get it picked over, I guess I was applying too much tension on the sidebar. It was like binding up. Now, so pick it. Now remember that hole where I showed you right here? You gotta push down, but you gotta turn, you wanna disconnect the battery or put it in gear because you have to crank it all the way over like you're gonna crank the car to start it. Then you're just gonna kinda see it coming out. See if we can see a code on here. Dot matrix. If you can't see it really good, you could probably rub some dirt on it or some black marker, pencil, something to make it stand out, but so we'll cut a key, and then that's how you cut a key. That's how you get the key code, but that's how you remove it if you don't have a key.